I'm Vinudhi Wahalathanthri and I'm here with my 16th video from the eShop Web Project Development Series. So in this video, we'll be programming the My Products page and we'll be also talking about the sort products process and the page animation part. Okay, so let's begin. So we talked about this design in my previous video. So in this video, we'll be programming this page. Okay, so over here, y'all can see that I have added my products over here. And over here, I have added my filter section where I can filter my products according to their active time, by quantity, and by condition. Therefore, so we can also exchange to another page using this pagination part. Okay, so let's examine this sort products process. So now I will give an active time as newest to oldest. And now by clicking the sort by button, y'all can see that my products has been saved according to the time they have been added. Okay, so next let's add another filter as quantity as high to low and sort by. Okay, so y'all can see that the quantity has also been saved over here. So y'all can see that over here 200, 8, 9, 45, 2, 6. So they have been saved according to that quantity and the date time added. Okay, so next, using the clear button, I can refresh my page and also delete all those filters. So that is the process of my sort products filter section. Okay, so let's move on to see the backend codes I have given for this process. Okay, so these are the codes I have given for my products page. Okay, so first I have given a PHP script and inside that I have started a session. So then I have given a require for my connection.php file and then I have added an if block and checked whether a user has signed in. So if a user has signed in, then $email should be assigned to $_session u email, which stands for user email. So over here I have created a variable as $page no. Okay. So next, over here I have added my HTML version tag and then over here I have coded my head section. Okay, so let's move on to see the codes I have given in my body section. Okay, so for my body section, I have given a style with a background color. And next, I have made this design inside two main divs, a container fluid and a row. And over here, I have inserted my header section. Okay, so I have given a call to a BG primary and inside that I have made a row. Okay, so over here, I have made my profile image part. And so over here, I have added a div and inside that div, I have added a PHP script where I have added a variable as profile image rs or my result set, which is assigned to a database search as select all from profile image where user email is equals to our $email. So then I have checked the num rows of my result set and assigned it to $profile image num. And then I have taken the data or fetched the data from my result set and assigned it to $profile image data. Okay, so over here I have added if $profile image num is equals to 1, then my image src should view as the image I have added in my profile image data. Okay, so if my profile image num is equals to 0, then my default image should appear over here. Okay, so next I have coded where my email and name should be added. Okay, so over here I have added my title. Okay, so over here I have added my filter section. So for my search bar, I have given an ID as S. And over here I have added my active time. And over here I have added some IDs, a name, and a 4. Okay, so likewise I have added IDs and names for my newest to oldest, oldest to newest option, and my by quantity options, and my by condition options. Okay, so for this sort by button, I have given an on-click as sort 1, 0. Okay, so let's move on to see the JavaScript codes I have given for this on-click. Okay. So over here I have started a function as sort1x. So this x stands for the 0 we added in our HTML site. So I have added a variable as var search, which is assigned to document.getElement by ID s. And then I have added another variable as var time, which is assigned to 0. And then I have added an if else ladder and checked whether if document.getElement ID is n checked, then my time should be equals to 1. So if it's O checked, then my time should be equals to 2. So likewise, I have made the same method for my var quantity and var condition. Okay, so next I have taken these values inside the form. So over here I have added my x and append it to a value as page. And I have sent these details in the post method to my sort process.php file. Okay, so let's move on to see the backend codes or the codes I have given for my sort process.php file. So firstly, I have added a PHP script. Thereafter, I have added a session start. And then I have added a require for my connection.php file. Okay, so over here, I have assigned the user to $session new. And I have taken the values which I have appended in my JavaScript file and assigned them to new values over here. Then I have assigned $query to a search as select all from product where user email is equals to $user email. Okay, so over here I have added a if block to check whether my search bar is empty. So if it's not empty, $query and title like $search. So this is the main query. And these are the subqueries we have added. Okay, so as this is the main query, according to that details we have given over here, that specific query will work over here. Okay, so likewise I have added if condition is not 0, then my query should be end condition ID $condition. So if we read it according to the main query, then it should be read as select all from product where user email is equals to user email we have added and condition ID equals to $condition. So that is how it's read. Okay. So likewise I have added a if block for my time and I have set it to order by date, time added in the descending order, and over here I have added order by date, time added ascending order. Okay, so likewise I have added it to this if block too. Okay, so next I have taken $product rs and I have taken the query. Then I have assigned $product num to the num rows from my result set. Okay, so next I have added my page animation over here. Okay, so over here I have added results per page should be equals to 6. So the maximum number of results in every page should be 6. So if it's more than 6, then those more products should move on to our next page. So this is the process of this pagination part. Okay. So over here I have added my card, and over here I have added my activation and deactivation part. So we'll be talking about this make your product active, make your product deactive part in my next video. Okay, so over here I have added my update and delete. And over here I have added my page animation. Okay, so these are the codes I have given for my sort process.php file. Okay, so next, let's move on to my products page again. Okay, so this clear sort on click, let's move on to see the JavaScript codes I have given for it. So for my clear sort on click, I have given a window.location reload. Okay, so these are the codes I have given for my products page. So this is how I have programmed this page. So I hope you understood what I explained. So thank you everyone for watching. I really appreciate it. So thank you. Have a nice day and bye.